Hello everyone, myself Dr. GVL Prasad, Assistant Professor, Automobile Engineering Department, VNR VJET. So in this video, I will show you how to draw cycloidal curves using the AutoCAD. Okay, cycloidal curves. Cycloid is a curve path traced by a point on the circumference when it is rolling. If the circle is rolling on a straight line, cycloid will form. If the circle rolling on another circle outside epicycloid, when a circle rolling on another circle inside hypocycloid. First, I'll show you construction of a cycloid. Here is the problem. Draw a cycloid of a circle of diameter 50 mm for one complete revolution. Also draw a tangent and normal to the curve at a point 35 mm above the baseline. Okay, this is the problem. So here circumference is important. So 2 pi r or pi d, if you calculate the circumference for this, so you will get a 157 mm. Okay. So now I will go to the AutoCAD window where I will show you the construction. This is the AutoCAD window. First of all, you have to draw a circle of diameter 50 mm. So for this, go to circle command, draw. Okay, circle, select center anywhere. Okay, so and then it is asking specify the radius, so you have to give 25 mm. If you give 50, it will get a double 25 mm. Okay, right. So next, draw a diameter line. Draw a diameter line. So then divide it into 12 equal parts. For this, you have to go to polar array. Where you will get where the polar array is there, modify. Go to modify menu and then array, polar array. Okay, polar array. Select the object as a line, right click, and then specify a center point of an array. This is, and then it is asking number of segments. Here default it will be 6 and then make it a 12. And then entry got at 12. Okay, so next one, so you have to draw a baseline is equal to circumference. So from here, draw a line 157. Okay, right. So same you have to draw at the top also. From here also you have to draw 157, and then so both are connected, join both one, and draw one more line from the center. Okay, okay, no problem. From each, okay, wherever you divide, na, from each one you have to draw a horizontal lines. This is the procedure actually. From each, from here. From the center line, you have to draw a horizontal line. Carefully, you have to draw parallel lines. All should be parallel to baseline. So now divide baseline into 12 equal parts. So this is the baseline, divide it into 12 equal parts. Because you have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. DDP type, set it to little bit less. So 3, okay. Okay, right. So next, from here, you have to draw a vertical lines up to center line. Up to center line, you have to draw vertical lines. For this, I will take a different color. I'll take a different color. Okay. From here, you have to draw. Okay. So, right, what I can do is I'll do copy so that it will be done quickly. I'll copy this line. So, each time drawing a line, okay, take time. Okay. You can quickly copy and paste. right. So if you want, you can give the numbering. Okay. So for this, I will give starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give the numbering. So for this, I will, okay, I'll use the same color, no problem. Otherwise, I'll go for bilayer. Okay, right. I'll go to multi-line text. Here I'll give numbering. For the numbering only, it will take time. Edit it to a little bit bigger. Let us say 5 is very small. Let's say at least 3. Move here. Okay. Then copy this one. Right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then actually we are supposed to give outside. So I'm giving inside. Okay. 12. Okay. So then edit this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Similar way, you can give the numbering for the baseline also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So that is not that much important. So important, what important is you have to keep C1, C2. So that is important for me. So here, wherever the center line 1, 2, 3, 4, no, so there I will give C1. Okay, this is C1. Let us say C1 actually. Okay, so you have to keep 1, so suffix C1 like this. Okay, so each time copy C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, 11, and finally 12. Okay, so this is C12. So I'll try to edit this one C1, 2. So apply this one C3, Yeah, 10. Apply. Right. So I have set now. Okay. So fine, let us find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also C1, C2, C3. Next, the procedure is C1 as a center with the circle radius 25 mm. You have to cut the arc passing through 1 actually. Okay. Similarly, C2 as a center, you have to cut the line 2, C3 3, C4 4, something like that. Okay. So take an arc command, center. Now this as a center and 25 mm radius, right? So type 25 and tab. So fix it. It is fixed, right? 25 mm. So just draw an arc cutting. Okay. So for this you take a different color so that you can visualize. Same white color means you cannot visualize. Okay. So this is how I did. Okay. Right. So similarly C2 I'll show you once again. Take arc command, center. So now C2 as a center. So radius is 25, right? You have to fix the radius. Okay. Type 25 from the keyboard and press the tab so that this is fixed to 25 mm now. Okay. So draw an arc which is cutting 2. Okay. Like so again arc center from the command prompt, center C3 25 fix to 25, tab and cut the line passing through 3. Okay. So now center C4 now, C4 25, tab. It will increase and then afterwards it will decrease. Okay. Right. Oh, color not changing actually. Now I'll take a different color. Colors are coming white. Okay, right. Change the color here. Otherwise it won't come. Right. So up to C4 I did. Again arc and center pick here. 5 C5. 25. 25 tab. Okay. Cut the file line. Okay. Right. Again arc center. C6 I have to. C6. It is, yeah. Why? What minute? What or something? I'll check C5 center. Okay, this is center and 25 fixed to tab 25. Where is the file line? This one is the file line. I have to cut here. I have to cut. Okay. This side I have to cut. Anyway, here also C5 is cutting, not like this. Center. .25 tab. Okay, like this. C7 25 tab. Where is the 7? Okay, right, 7, this one, this side. Repeat arc. 8 C8. 25 tab. Where is the 8 one? 8, here is the C8, but where is the 8 one? Here is the 25, fix it to 25 and cut this 8 line, right? Then center C9, 25, and this is C9, okay? So next C10, center C10, 25 tab. Where is the 10 line? 10 line is here. So this one, control press so that it will come. Okay. If you press the control, arc will come in a clockwise direction, otherwise default anti-clockwise direction. C11, this is the C11. Okay. 25 tab. Right here. So anyway, C12 will come here. You need not do C12. Okay. Right. So now starting from here, starting from 12 and ending this endpoint, you have to draw an arc using this spline so that it will give a cycloid. Okay. So I will change the color to bilayer. I'll take a spline command and starting from 12. Okay. I'll start from here and passing through this point, all the arcs wherever they intersecting the lines. So you have to select that, keep exactly, don't take midpoints and all, it will give a confusion. This one, this one, you have to pick where it is touching actually curve. Yeah, wherever it is touching the curve, you have to pick it there. Okay. Right, next this one. Right. So this is how you got a cycloid. Just show like this, something like this, and enter. So you got a cycloid now. So apply thickness to this line, apply line weight, apply line weight, oh sorry, line weight, apply line weight. So and you have to draw a tangent and normal to this curve, okay? Tangent and normal. So what is the problem given? 35 mm from the baseline, that is the problem given, 35 mm from the baseline, okay? So what you can do is offset the baseline 35 mm, okay? So 35 mm, so this one offset, okay, right? So and then you keep a point over there. This is the point where you want to draw a tangent and normal. Keep a point over there and then remove it. So if you want to specifically see this point, change the color, okay? Change the color, whatever the color you want, okay? So I'll change into magenta, okay? So this is the point, okay? So now what is the procedure is, so taking a arc command and radius C is equal to circle, so cut the center line, that is the procedure. Take a arc command, center, so this is this point is the center and 25 mm is the radius, fixed to 25. So next draw an arc, okay? So then after this, from here to baseline, draw a vertical line, take ortho, draw a vertical line, okay, up to here, draw a vertical line, okay, right, draw a vertical line and join this one from baseline to this point, okay, and extend it. This is the normal actually. And This is the normal, you extend it. So perpendicular to this will give a tangent actually. Okay. So how to draw perpendicular to this? Then go to OSNAP command. OSNAP settings, clear all, only perpendicular you take. Then say OK. Go to line command. Go to line command. So draw a perpendicular line and then make it this passing through P. For this again you have to go to OSNAP settings. So select all this time, then all the object snap options, then go to move and pick this line, okay, and move to pick the center and move to P. Wherever P is there, you move to here. So this is the tangent. Okay, for both tangent and normal, apply line weight. So this should be shown clearly. So go to line weight and apply. Okay, so this is the normal and tangent. This is the complete cycloid. So dimensioning, so you have to show the circumference. You have to show the circumference and you have to show the diameter as well. You have to show the diameter as well. Okay, done. So this is how you can do a cycloid. Next video I will show you how to draw epicycloid and hypocycloid as well. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.